Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Infi Desires Doodle. In today's video, we'll see everything related to Christmas. There are still many who haven't subscribed. Please subscribe to my channel and now let's get started. I have mentioned all the things that we are going to cover in today's video. So the first is very simple. We'll do some Christmas doodles. Just take a pencil or you can directly do with a pen also. These are something which are very simple snowflakes and can be easily done. So if kids have their Christmas assignments or something that they want to do related to Christmas, all these small and simple Christmas doodles will come in very handy for them to do either their assignments or say give even a small Christmas card to anyone. So in the first part of this video where we are doing Christmas doodles, I have tried to keep it as simple as possible so that kids can recreate it. You can even color them as you like. So specifically, in fact, where I reside, that is in Mumbai, India, we do not have snowfall, though there is snowfall in other parts of India. All the feeling of winter or snow that I can get is by drawing this cute snowman or snow person, as you may call it. I guess these are my favorite, but I also wish they were a little bigger always so that I got a bigger gift for Christmas. And even this is the best because I just hope we get a lot of gifts, especially the gift of freedom from coronavirus this year. I really wish. So these are all the little Christmas doodles which I have made. Let me know in the comments if you want any more of them. I will definitely do it in my next video, which is also a Christmas theme based video only. So the next thing that we are doing today is different types of Christmas trees. All you need is some Christmassy colors, that is green, yellow, red, a fine line pen. You can use a black sketch pen and a pencil. The first Christmas tree I am drawing with a pencil. Rest I'm going to directly draw with the fine line pen that I have. So in these type of trees you can make the decorations as you wish. Here I've just made some circles which can be like a little bit of Christmas decorations, and then I'm simply coloring all these with my Camlin brush pens. You can use sketch pens or even crayon colors. I have here tried to do a little variations in all the Christmas trees so that it looks pretty. So you can choose whichever you want to do. You can do your own Christmas trees and with your own imagination and ideas you can draw some more of them and share it with me. I would love to check it out. Some of the trees are really very simple. I think we've been doing this right from our school days, so it'll be easy for kids to do them. They are very simple, and in some of them I have added a little bit of the doodle touch by drawing eyes and a little bit of smile, showing that the tree is very happy. Also, while we are here, you can tell me which is your favorite Christmas decorations. Or I think best, you can tell me in the comments which is your favorite Christmas food as well, which you love to do. Or what is the best thing about Christmas that you like. I look forward to your comments. Here I've done just a little variation to the Christmas tree, but sadly my camera went out of focus. I hope you can still see it. So in today's video we are doing some of the Christmas trees, and stay tuned because I have a lot more of them coming up in the next video. Again, I will give you a step-by-step process of how to do these, and they look really good. So the next thing that we are going to do is my favorite, a Christmas card. Today I'm going to show you some of them, and in the next video we have a lot more coming. A quick tip here, that whenever we use a dark colored card, usually black doesn't stand out so well, so I have written Merry Xmas or Merry Christmas in white. In this I have used a sticker sheet. They are very easy to use and they are very shiny, so it gives a Christmassy look. For the second card, I have used a washi tape, and I am just sticking all of these to give it a Christmas tree look. In the next video, I have some more of these amazing cards, so stay tuned for the next video. And for the last, in this video we are doing a Christmas wreath. I had ordered something from Amazon and I'm using the same cardboard. So with a compass I'm making a circle. You have to draw 2 circles and cut it out, and you can use anything to make a round shape, a lid or anything basically which is in round shape. After your cardboard piece is ready, you have to take a green tinted sheet. It's a thick sheet, and I've cut out a 3 cm wide strip of paper and then measured it to 5 centimeters. So our leaves will be 5 into 3 centimeters. This is how you can easily cut them out, and then we can make the leaves. It's very simple. You just fold the paper in half, and vertical half, not horizontal, and then draw a semicircle this way and cut it out from the side where it's open. So not from the folded side, but from the open side part. You can cut this out, and then when you open it up, your leaf is ready. So in this way you will require at least, I think, 25 to 30 to cover all of these up, and then with a simple glue, any glue, you can just stick them in this way. I have in some parts overlapped some of the leaves so that the cardboard is not visible. If you want to keep it a little away, you can also paint the cardboard first and then stick the leaves. Using a simple red ribbon, I have made a simple small bow, and using some sticker sheets and some stickers, I am just decorating the Christmas wreath. So this is the simplest way you can make a Christmas wreath. So this is just a simple DIY which kids can do for their assignment. Do let me know which one of these were your favorite in today's video. We did 4 of them, and in the next video we are going to do some more doodling, some more greeting cards, some more Christmas trees, and something really very interesting. So please stay tuned for the second part of the Christmas special series that I am doing. Wishing you all happy holidays, Merry Christmas in advance, and please don't forget to share this video with all your friends. If you do recreate, please tag me, and you can also connect with me on either Instagram or Facebook. I have put the link in the description. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you soon. Bye.